Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. So today I'll be showing you where you can get your free bead embroidery template. So this app here is called Pinterest. Yeah, this app right here, Pinterest. And so for you to get your pattern, you have to search for it. So we're going to, already I have on my search history here bead embroidery patterns. You can also get beading embroidery inspiration from this Pinterest. Yeah, you can see some patterns here. It's not a must that you must come up with the ideas yourself. You can always see other people's ideas and modify it. So this this is an embroidery pattern. You click on it. When you click on it, it will bring out more patterns for you. So this is another pattern. These are different patterns. When you click on it to send it to other pattern, you can go back to the previous one. This is another one here. See this, when you click on it, it will send you to another one, to different patterns. So it's you can get an unlimited number here. And when you get this pattern, like my phone, I don't know if all phones do this, but for my phone is a Samsung A32. So you just click on these three dots here and click on download image, and it automatically be saved to your phone. And then when you save to your phone, if you want to use this pattern, you just print it out how you print out a regular document. You just on A4 paper, you go to the photocopying center. You have a printer at home, you can do that. So these are different patterns. Let's just go back. We're going back now so that we'll go to the our initial page. So if you click on something else, okay, let's click on beading embroidery. Okay, this is another one. You can see this is a beading inspiration. You can with the patterns I'm going to teach you, you can do this yourself. It's very easy. All you just have to have is patience. This is a pattern inspiration. These are all pattern inspirations. You can see you can get ideas from here. You can also get ideas from YouTube, from Google, and it's unlimited. So I'll be sending some of these patterns that I have downloaded already on my phone to the group for you to access it. So these are different patterns. Just click on the three button and download. So right now it's saving to my gallery. So that's it for where you can get free patterns and beading inspirations. Thank you.